Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the new remote job. This will be a work from home opportunity for all of you. Today I am sharing a new opening which you will guys can apply sitting at your home itself. So let's get started with a new job opening which is for all the students, all the candidates, professionals looking for a job in their respective countries. So here is the job posting. Soon I will share the link with you in the description. So this is the company Jumper which is offering client onboarding associate job. See, basically it's a remote job, customer success, client success, and one more thing, it's a full-time job. So if you guys are looking for a full-time remote customer success job, definitely you are most welcome for the Jumper company. Alright, so this is a company whose mission is to rent an apartment as easy as booking a hotel. So they are searching for a passionate, hardworking people to build extraordinary products and revolutionize the rental industry. So see, they work remotely to help create the best experience in renting an apartment. What you have to do is customer success for our multi-family client relationships. That's your role for this remote job. So who you are, what are your basic requirements for the company? You must have 1 to 3 years of work experience, understanding technical concepts, delivering positive results for customers, high degree of accuracy, detail orientation, and strong problem solving skills, passionate about immersing yourself in the world of sales, technology, customer evangelism, and customer success. Have a history of owning customer relationships, including implementation, support, and renewal. Ability to take direction from multiple parties, work independently, balance multiple projects, and remain detail oriented and well organized. Have previous B2B success experience or multi-family industry experience. You must have a Salesforce.com or other CRM systems experience, Excel experience also, creative, inventive, detail oriented, and highly organized. So these are the basic requirements of the Jumper company which is hiring remotely candidates. So what they are offering is, that's the main point. Yes, so their offering is great medical, dental, vision insurance options with 90 to 100% employee premium coverage, 401k plan plus 3% company match, stock options, flexible vacation policy, work hard and take time when you need it, mass transit, health and wellness reimbursements, catered meals and stocked kitchen with coffee, snacks and beverages, team adventures and outings. Yes, weekly insight into all major company metrics, up to 12 weeks of paid parental leave. So this is all about the company. They have the located in San Francisco next to the Trans America building. They also have offices in Chicago, New York, Providence, and Scottsdale, and are lucky to have 200 plus teammates across the US. So what guys you are waiting for? Just go and apply because this is the worldwide opportunity. Just click on this button, apply for the job, and attach all the relevant documents like your resume, full name, email, phone number, current company, LinkedIn URL, Twitter URL, GitHub, portfolio, other websites. But see, the links marked with stars are important, but the links without stars are not important. So please make sure to enter all the valid information which are required for the company to screenshot your profile so that they can just confirm your candidature for the further procedure. See, these are the basic responsibilities you just need to fill out, like gender, male, female, whatever it is. Select your this provision, after that just like Asian, then veteran station, and just click on submit. So these are the basic information you just need to carry on and just go and grab the opportunity with the Zamper client onboarding associate. Yeah, thank you so much. I will share the link in the description. Go and apply as soon as possible. Goodbye, take care.